today we are changing out knobs in the kitchen. And basically we're just taking these out. Some of them actually have stripped screws. So we're just replacing the knobs with these knobs. And you can use the same screws or you can use the screws that come along with it. It's up to you really. It depends if your screws are still good. If they are and just the knob themselves are stripped, then you can go ahead and leave them in. So we're just putting them on. Ours weren't functional, but some people do this just to give a different look. It's one of the cheapest updates you can do that you can see and is visible in either a kitchen or a bathroom. It's a very simple DIY project.